Hello, we are from Group 2. Today we are going to present about Sungai Klang, one of Malaysia's most significant rivers but also one facing serious water pollution challenges. These are our group members and we are from Group CEC 2223C3.
Today, we will talk about Sungai Klang, a river in Malaysia that spans 120 kilometers but faces serious pollution challenges. It is considered one of the most polluted rivers in the country due to urbanization, industrial waste, untreated sewage, and illegal dumping. This pollution issue has severely degraded the water quality, making it unsafe and harming the environment. Moreover, the poor water quality has increased flood risks, causing further problems for communities living nearby. This situation highlights the ongoing challenges in managing urban river pollution and the need for effective solutions to restore the health of the river.
In this slide, I will present the water quality of Sungai Klang, focusing on its four branches, Sungai Air Busuk, Sungai Belangkong, Sungai Bones and Sungai Krayong. Based on the 2017 environmental report, this river has been assessed for key water quality indicators, biochemical oxygen demand, ammoniacal nitrogen, suspended solids and the overall water quality index or WQI. All rivers falls into class 3 or 4, indicating poor water quality. Class 3 suggests extensive treatment is required before any use, while Class 4 is only suitable for irrigation. For example, Sungai Air Busuk, Sungai Belangkong and Sungai Bones all have WQI in the 55 to 57 range, landing in Class 3. However, Sungai Krayong with lower WQI of 52 is in Class 4.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today, I will be presenting the major source of pollution in Sungai Klang and one of the Malaysian most critical waterway. Despite its importance, the river faces several pollution from various human activity. Let's dive into the key contributor. Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today, I will be presenting the major source of pollution in Sungai Klang. The first source is industrial waste. Factories and industry located at near Sungai Klang and often discharge untreated or partially treated waste directly into the river. These waste include harmful chemical, heavy metal and all that severely degrade water quality and harm our aquatic life at Sungai Klang. Next, we have residential area. Urban area contribute pollution based on domestic wastewater, improper disposal of household garbage and urban runoff from housing development are significant contributors. These pollutants often carry plastic, detergent and organic waste into the river, affecting its cleanliness and ecosystem of Sungai Klang. Next, third point of source of pollution at Sungai Klang is sewage treatment plants. Sewage treatment plants of STP are also major source of pollution. While these facilities are meant to treat wastewater, malfunctioning of purely maintenance plant can release untreated sewage into the river. This add organic waste and harmful pathogens which threaten public health and the river biodiversity at Sungai Klang. Second last of the source of pollution in Sungai Klang is illegal dumping. Illegal dumping is another critical issue. This includes the unauthorized disposal of solid waste, hazardous material and construction debris directly into this river. Such practices are not only environmental destructive but also pose challenge for enforcement and clean up. Cause of this activity is by they want to avoid cost avoidance and lack of people awareness, also lack of enforcement. Lastly, one of the source of the pollution at Sungai Klang is sand mining activity. Sand mining activity contribute the river's pollution. Excessive and unregulated sand extraction disrupt the riverbed, increase the sedimentation, and impact the water quality at Sungai Klang. It also destroy the habitat and alter the river's natural flow, leading to erosion and flooding. This also can increase the flood risk.
In this segment, I will explain about the impacts of water pollution in Sungai Klang, focusing on its effects on human health, the environment, and the economy. For the human health, water pollution increases the transmission disease like cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, hepatitis A, typhoid, and polio. Next, long-term exposure to water pollution can have chronic health effects. Contaminants such as heavy metals, pesticides, and industrial chemicals can accumulate in the body over time, leading to various health conditions. For the environment, water pollution fosters the growth of algal bloom in the lakes and marine ecosystem. Then, this will reduce the dissolved oxygen levels in the water, thus endangering aquatic life and upsetting the balance of these ecosystems. From an economic perspective, contaminated water requires intensive treatment before it's usable for irrigation or daily needs. Additionally, polluted rivers can reduce property values near the waterfront and decrease tourism.
Next, we move to the mitigation measures. These measures fall into three categories, which is physical, chemical, and biological. For each, I will highlight actions that provide short-term solution and long-term solutions. Let's begin with physical measures. For a short solution, organize riverbank cleanup campaigns to quickly remove visible trash along the riverbanks. It's involving the community in caring for the river. For the long-term solution, is to build green infrastructure such as construct wetlands and rain gardens to naturally filter stormwater over time to prevent pollutant from reaching the river. Next, the chemical measure. For the short-term solution is to use chemical coagulation like alum to clean dirty water immediately by removing particles and making it clear. As for the long-term solution, implement nutrient management regulations and incentives to gradually reduce agricultural runoff from fertilizers and pesticides. Finally, the biological measures. For the short-term solution is to introduce helpful bacteria into the river to quickly break down harmful chemicals and to improve water quality. Last but not least, the long-term solution for biological measure is to plant trees along the rivers, which is to prevent soil erosion and keep waste out the water, creating a sustainable and healthy ecosystem for the future. In summary, these short-term and long-term measures provide practical and sustainable solutions to restore Sungai Klang. With community effort and commitment, we can make a lasting impact.
Today, I'm here to share an important message throughout our creative public awareness campaign that have been titled Water Pollution Affects Everyone. Protect it, protect us. So for the first main point is environmental impact. Water pollution has a major impact on the environment. Let's take a closer look. So firstly is the destruction of aquatic ecosystems. Marine life such as fish, coral reefs and aquatic plants are severely threatened. Secondly is disruption of food chains. Pollutants enter the food web through seafood, eventually affecting humans. Lastly, soil and land degradation. Water pollution also harms the land, disrupting the natural balance. For the second main point is health impact. Water pollution doesn't only affect the environment, it also poses serious health risks. So firstly, waterborne diseases such as cholera and hepatitis, which are caused by contaminated water. Secondly, is toxic exposure. Harmful chemicals in polluted water can lead to chronic illness. Last but not least is impact on the children. Children are especially vulnerable, facing risks like poisoning and developmental issues. So, together we can take action to save our water by reducing the use of single-use plastics, cleaning our beaches and ocean, educating the younger generation about the importance of preserving water. So, let's work hand in hand to protect this precious resource for a brighter future.
These are the innovative solutions for water pollution. One is floating waste capture and filtration. Equipped with retractable nets and microplastic filters, captures floating debris, microplastics, and chemical contaminants. And filters can separate organic and inorganic waste for better recycling potential. Number two is water quality sensors, whereas real-time water quality data such as pH, turbidity, and dissolved oxygen levels, and also data is transmitted to a central monitoring system for tracking long-term pollution trends. Furthermore, mobile recycling station. Waste collected is transferred to a mobile recycling station that is stationed near the water body. Recyclable waste is processed on site to reduce transport emissions. And also, organic waste is composted for local agricultural use. And number four is self-sustaining power system, where solar panels power both the drones and the recycling station. For energy efficient battery systems, ensure 24/7 operation. For how it supports SDG goals based on the innovative that I have searched, SDG 6, clean water and sanitation, actively removes pollutants, ensuring cleaner water bodies, and also monitors water health, promoting sustainable management of water resources. And for SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities, reduces pollution in urban water bodies, creating healthier environments, and also it empowers communities to participate in pollution control efforts.
That's all from us about condition Sungai Kelang. Thank you.